Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Nuova Simonelli Oscar espresso machine. And here you can see the screen, it's like completely clogged. This is before we changed it out. So just the best way to prevent this is to back flush every 60 shots. And that'll keep your coffee tasting a lot better and it'll reduce the stress on your machine. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we get a great shot of espresso, and let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.